So I got my images back from the lab, this little Panasonic that I thrifted a couple of months ago. And look, the quality's not bad. It's okay. I can't say that I'm going to use this on a daily basis. We had a friend's birthday party and it was Matrix themed. Took some photos and they came out pretty cool. I also got the roll of film that was already in here when I thrifted it developed, and there were some photos from America on here which I thought was really cool. It looks like Yosemite National Park, San Francisco. There's a lot of light leaks that have happened. I'm not sure if that's due to the roll being really old, but yeah, there's the update. Okay. So I have a shoot tomorrow. I thought I would prepare my case and my gear for tomorrow, making sure that everything is charged and organized and ready to go so I'm not rushing out the door tomorrow morning like a headless chicken. So yeah, let's get this case sorted.
Working hard, working hard.
Great day. That's for sure.
I am very excited about this parcel. I have been wanting to update my camera for the longest time. I'm currently filming with the Canon R. I use it for everything, but just thought it was time for an upgrade. Just bought the Canon R6 Mark II because I really like it. It's perfect for what I need. I'm so excited to use this. Cannot wait. Just feel like my creativity is gonna go up to a whole new level. Let's go. I'm so excited.